After years of dreaming about flying cars, a YouTuber finally managed to lift a full-size DeLorean into the air. This is not a model, nor a movie effect. The car literally took off, the result of tests, adjustments, and a lot of hands-on engineering. Brian Brocken documented everything in 3 videos, showing each step from building the body to the final flights. The car began as an aluminum frame with 3D connectors, but it was too heavy and flexible to fly safely. The solution came with an ultralight and rigid carbon frame weighing about 2 kilograms, which allowed the foam body, at 13,890 kilograms, to finally lift off the ground. This contrast between the white foam and the carbon structure not only brought back 80s nostalgia, but also proved that practical engineering can beat CGI. Each motor was tested individually, initially producing 13,563 kilograms of thrust above the announced specs, ensuring that the DeLorean had enough safety margin. Fine-tuning of the thrust controls and the rigidity of the new frame solved the torsion problems of the aluminum structure, allowing for precise maneuvers. Other clever details include gull-wing doors with hidden hinges, a flap system to direct air to the propellers, and even the reuse of an AbbVie industrial robot to machine CNC parts. Each final flight resulted from weight adjustments, engine realignment, and meticulous testing, culminating in the car flying freely with stability. The final video shows the DeLorean performing safe takeoffs, testing retractable wheel control, and giving a glimpse of how maker engineering can transform a sci-fi icon into reality. After so much work, the DeLorean finally flies. Could this hands-on engineering approach inspire more real flying cars in the near future? Researchers at Carnegie Mellon have developed something that once seemed impossible: living robots made from human cells, capable of moving in a fully controlled way. These tiny biobots, called AggreBots, could one day travel through the human body to deliver therapies or perform mechanical interventions, opening a new chapter in medicine and bioengineering. Traditionally, biobots used muscle fibers to move, contracting and relaxing like real muscles. Now, the Carnegie Mellon team found an alternative: cilia, tiny hair-like propellers that move fluids in the body or allow aquatic organisms to swim. The big challenge has always been controlling the shape and movement of these cilia in biobots. The solution came through a modular assembly strategy. By aggregating tissue spheroids derived from lung stem cells, the researchers created AggreBots with fully customizable motility. It's like removing or placing oars on a boat in specific positions to control its direction. This allows the inclusion of genetically modified spheroids that render certain regions of the cilia immobile, enabling a level of precision never before seen in cilia-powered biobots. Each AggreBot is made entirely of biological materials, making it biodegradable and compatible with the human body, opening the door to direct medical applications without the risk of immune rejection. These robots could be used in research on cilia-related diseases, such as primary ciliary dyskinesia, or in personalized therapy delivery inside the body. Their modularity allows for the creation of specific movement patterns, making AggreBots powerful tools for the future of science, medicine, and bioengineering. The team emphasizes that controlling motility is essential. Without proper propulsion, therapeutic cells may get stuck inside the body, rendering interventions ineffective. These breakthroughs promise to expand the use of biobots in both research and personalized treatments. With unprecedented precision and biocompatible materials, AggreBots show that living robots may soon become a reality inside the human body. How far could these microscopic machines go in revolutionizing medical treatments and scientific research in the coming years? Did you enjoy the content? Then make sure to subscribe to the channel. This helps more technology grow and reach even more tech enthusiasts. On your screen, you'll find 2 recommended videos, one from our Clips channel and another from our main channel, with full content and even more updates. Pick one and keep up with the latest from more technology. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.